Welcome back. Next to Bluetooth, now we learn about sound pen in the system preferences. When you try to do something that is not allowed, or if your Mac needs to input or more information, the alert message appears on your screen. And the alert sound play, you can change the alert sound and set its volume. These all are by default sound alert sound. So these all are by default sound. You can change the alert sound from here. Choose play sound effects through headphones, speaker audio records, or selected sound output devices. Same, you can alert volume, play sound on startup. Choose play sound when your Mac starts up. To hear a startup chime when you restart your Mac, select the play button on startup tick box. Play user interface effect. Your Mac plays sound effects when you perform certain actions such as dragging an item to trash. To turn off sound, deselect these options. Play feedback when volume changed. On some keyboards, when you press one of the volume keys, the alert sound plays on and let you hear the new volume. To prevent sound, here you can output volume change there, or you can set as mute. This one show sound in the menu bar. If I uncheck this option, the in the output pane, select the device you want to use in the list of sound output devices. All sound output devices available to your Mac are listed, including the computer's internal speakers, devices plug in to your Mac, USB port or aux port, or AirPlay devices. For any device plug into the computer sound port, choose headphone. Do any of the following adjusts your sound output setting. Select the balance right, left, or middle. Same, adjust volume, drag the output volume slide bar, and you can stop sound output by selecting the mute tick box. If you want to show sound icon in the menu bar, then you need to check this option always. In the sound input panel, select the device you want to use in the list of sound input devices. All sound input devices available to your Mac are listed in this portion. If your display has an internal microphone, it is listed as display audio in this portion. Do any of the following adjust your sound input setting. Adjust the input volume, just drag the volume slide bar left or right, maximum or minimum. For example, if you are recording loud music, lower than input volume so the recorded sound is not too loud, or distorted if you are recording someone who is speaking softly, Just increase the input volume so your Mac can better capture the person's voice. Here is capture less background noise. Use noise reduction. This caption does not appear if a 4-channel built-in microphone format is selected in audio HDMI setup on Mac. Keep in mind, you can't adjust the input volume for a digital input device using your computer's controls. You must adjust the input volume from its source, such as a receiver or something digital output devices.